Introducing Old Pro Tattoo Aftercare. Welcome to the professional side of tattoo, aftercare, and healing. These aftercare products are both concentrated formulas. Please use as directed. How to take care of your new tattoo. Leave bandage on for 1 hour. Make sure to wash hands and clean prior to these processes. After removal of bandage, wash hands thoroughly. Using 1 pump of the Old Pro Concentrate Antibacterial Wash, add a small splash of water. Mix by rubbing hands together. Wash tattoo and rinse well until tattoo is free of any residue left behind from the tattoo. Allow tattoo to air dry or pat dry with a clean plain white paper towel. After washing tattoo, apply a small amount of Old Pro Tattoo Aftercare Lotion. It is a concentrate, so you only need a pea-sized amount per hand-sized tattoo. Rub into tattoo till it is absorbed into the skin. Repeat this process every 4 or 5 hours. Do not pick or scratch at your tattoo, as it will cause infections and a hard heal. The tattoo can get wet in a shower, but do not let it soak. Avoid all other contact of tattoo with anything other than a fresh, clean water source. You will continue this process for that 2-week period. With Old Pro Tattoo Professional Aftercare, results will be phenomenally faster and cleaner. Thank you for choosing the professional Old Pro Tattoo Aftercare, the apex in tattoo aftercare.